Guys, what's up? It's Kayla, and in this video, we're here with some more Adopt Me, and in this video, my goal is to try to use a cracked egg and try to buy, and try to trade it for something good. I have no idea what it's going to be, but I really hope it is going to be good, you guys, because cracked eggs, nobody likes cracked eggs, you guys. Looks like I don't have enough money for this, so I'm just going to pull out one of my pets. So I don't have enough money for this. I'm super close, but I don't have enough. Maybe if I just give my pet some water. Where's my cow, Bessie? So I got this lemonade a few days ago. Okay, here you go. Come on, Bessie, stay still. Oh my God, my cow is a mess. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead. Looks like my cow is a junior. We just need like $7 more. I'm super close. I'm just gonna walk around and wait for it to need something. You guys, I'm just walking around and I noticed that that dude over there, you guys, has been following me, and it's super creepy. I have no idea what his deal is, but you guys, we're just gonna go away from him. I really do hope he doesn't follow me again, because that's super creepy. Okay, well, Bessie hasn't needed anything. What's taking so long? You guys, you won't know. Can you guys guess who I spotted? But he just ran away. It looks like Bessie doesn't really need anything. Okay, you guys, looks like I have enough money, so let's go ahead and buy this. And you guys, let's see what people can give me for it. Let's start with her. Okay, guys, she accepted. Oh my God, I'm super nervous. What will she give me for it? I'm starting to get to something. I think she doesn't want anything. I think she wants it for free. No, a sandwich. I already have a lot of sandwich, and I paid $350 for that. No. Okay, let's try trading this girl. She declined the trade. Seriously, you guys? I mean, I love cracked eggs. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's put my cracked egg. What could she give me for a cracked egg? She wants it for free, I just know it. Okay, you guys, let's try and trade her. Okay, she's not replying. Gosh, that's loud. A bandicoot for a cracked egg? A dog? No, sorry, I already have a neon dog. You guys, I don't think it's not working, you guys. I can't find anyone. You know, this is harder than I thought it would be. I thought I would get like a really good trade in just like a few minutes. She wants to trade me. Oh, come on. Seriously, I'm getting some good trades here, and I will, like, nobody's accepting. Come on, you have to like a cracked egg. What will you give me for the cracked egg? Come on, don't tell me nothing. She wants nothing for my beautiful cracked egg. I think it's pretty. You guys, there's that guy I met before. Do you guys think I should trade him? Okay, I think she wants to trade me or something. Yep. Nope, actually I don't want to be in your family, sorry. Okay, let's just... Guys, I'm gonna follow him. You guys, I gotta follow him. He stopped. Oh, you guys, this is starting to get pretty creepy. I'm gonna try to trade him. Let's do this, you guys. Okay, he accepted the trade. And I can do this. You guys see what's on that screen? A unicorn? You guys, I don't know how to respond to that. I just got a unicorn. For a cracked egg? Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh! I just got a unicorn for a cracked egg. Phew. I don't even think I can do this. We're twinsies. We both have unicorns. Okay, if this Lily girl, she wants that follow me because she knows I have a unicorn, and I know she likes it. A snowcat. I'm not trading my unicorn, you guys. Because I have a unicorn. You know what, you guys? I think I should do something. I'm gonna go to my house. Oopsie, wrong vehicle. I'm gonna go to my house. Where's my unicorn? No, I can't let it do that. No, come here, Uni. Okay, I'm gonna go to my house. And I'm going to take one of my plain rooms into my house and just turn it into a unicorn room completely. I'm so excited for this. Go to my house. Oh, unicorn's hungry. Oh my god. Okay, here's my house. Let's first feed my unicorn. And I'm going to go decorate her room. Are you guys ready for the finished look? Because I am. I just know I am. So it's that room right there. You guys, welcome. Welcome to her room. You guys, this room was expensive. Oh my gosh, guys. That small little bed right there, you guys see right there? That cost $200. That throne cost $300. I think this cost about like $30. Pretty cheap. You guys, this was not cheap at all. You guys, oh my gosh. I love the room. I am so happy what I did. I mean, I was thinking of not even putting this, but you guys, I love my unicorn and I adore it. So, you know, we just gotta have to. We're just gonna have to. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I am super shocked I got a unicorn for a cracked egg. Wow. You guys, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, and more information coming about the giveaway in my next video. Bye, guys.